Hi everyone, this is Rene with whyamigreen.com, and today I wanted to show you the progress of my peppers and my tomato plants. So let's start out with right over here. I just transplanted these from younger ones. These are all hot peppers that I have. You can see they're starting all the way over here, and these are all dragon breaths and going down to about here. And then I have, I got several big boy tomatoes. These are actually a brand I got from Cambodia. And some Lebanon habanero down in the last four on the left. So that's what I got going here. Now if we move on a little bit more into a little hot house. And with the peppers, it's not only a hot house, it's one of the hottest places on earth. These are Carolina Reapers over here. And you can see how they're doing really well. I actually topped them off a couple weeks ago and they're growing real well. And this is a marigold I have with the Carolina Reaper over there that actually helps them to grow and gives them a lot more pods. Here's some more hot peppers. These are more Reapers I have on the top. And going over here, more Reapers again. So, and you can see some of them are starting to flower over there. These were actually planted on January 26th, and right now we're actually late April. And actually I have some down here that are a little bit bigger, and you can see still in January how well these guys are doing, flowering quite a bit. And these, once I've topped them, went crazy by getting a little bit wider, quite a bit wider. And then over here, these are all tomatoes as well. See if I can get so you can see the signs. These are delicious tomatoes from here over. And so the first 4 rows, and all the rest are beefsteak. And then here, these guys haven't sprouted yet in my greenhouse. I have about 6 different kinds of peppers. I've got, let's see, some red and green jalapenos, and I've got, all kinds of different things. Hard to mention them right now. I think poblano and some others, so I'll show you those when they come up. So that is basically how all my peppers are doing. And these are dragon breaths that are a little older than the first ones I showed you, but not quite as old as the other ones, the ones that were done in January. These were done about a month ago. And they're growing really good. Matter of fact, I'm going to have to top them soon. So that's what we have with my peppers. And you can see why I call this the hottest place on earth. And by the way, everyone, the dragon breath, these right here, are the hottest hot pepper in the world. I believe their Scovilles ranking is like 2,300,000, where the what's the other one there? The Carolina Reaper is about 2,100,000. Okay, so these are they're going to be very, very hot peppers, and I'm anxious to see how they come out. Like I said, they're already flowering. So you all have a great day, and remember, if you're not growing, you're not green.